So today, I felt like I'll give you an update on my current project. Yeah, I just got up, so maybe I should wash my face. Hold on, I'll be right back. So I'm back. Had to get fresh, put a little jacket on because it get cold as hell out here. And yeah, so basically, if you're new to the channel, it's basically a DIY channel. I do everything myself. I work on all my cars, paint, anything that got to do with the motors. Just, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you can. Yeah, it would help. So, I'm about to show you. This is my 1990 Mustang Fox body. Currently, this thing needs a lot of work. I bought it as a project. I think the owner for me had it as a project. I bought it, it wasn't running. I've done a small bit to it, but it's still not running. Yeah, actually got a part coming today at 5 for this car. But as you see, it's raining and I don't have a shop. So I'm gonna be working out in the rain. And I have my SN95. Bought this car running from a tow yard some years ago. Just really started digging into it maybe last year. I changed a bit on it. This is a V6 model. Has a Celine kit front bumper on it right now. I have the back bumper too. Tail lights, rotors, wheels. I've done quite a bit to this car, and I've actually took the top off, which didn't make no sense because I didn't put it on right away. Needs a top. And we have my baby. Keep this one in the garage. First car I ever put in my name. 1968 Plymouth Valiant. Oh, and the SN95 is a 97. So yeah, and yeah. So this is a slant 6 225. I think these make about 150, 125 horse. Something like that, something around there. I haven't really did much to it. I painted the engine bay. As you see, it's been untouched for a while. I changed a lot to this car. I think I got another video. It came with a lot of upgrades. I did some upgrades. Touched up some of the wiring, trying to get the wiring, And I'm not really a wiring specialist, but I mean, what I did was, I don't know, does okay. So, put racing seat, steering wheel. This car's still not running. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do. And we have my small bike 350 build. I was a little tired when I put this on. Didn't have the gaskets or anything, so don't mind that. I know there's some guy out there like, oh, you put the water pump on upside down, but I don't really have gaskets, and I also don't have a bottom end, so we figure that out later. Yeah. So yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I started the small block build during, I think like 2 summers ago. And I just got a chance to go and get all the bolts for the heads and stuff. I want to say, what was it? Day before yesterday. Then the rain kicked in and it got pretty bad. I'm at the pick and pull. I'm underneath the cars. It's raining. I'm trying to find other parts for the 5.0. I guess because my speedo cable got mangled. I don't know how that happened. And yeah, and then the actual speedo sensor, yeah, that also got mangled too. That was my fault though, but I could buy another one. But for right now, I'm thinking that I'm gonna just cap it off and not even use speedo, because right now I don't even have a cluster, so the need to know how fast I'm going is not that dire right now. If you got my Instagram, you already know. And if you got my Instagram, you know that I got merch. That's my uncle. Let me show you this one first. It's my uncle. He passed away. He used to ride for the East Bay Dragons. Yeah. This right here is the merch. Yeah, that's the lettering, man. And we got plenty of them. Yeah, I got a lot of them, man. I got a little dirty. Yeah, got a bunch of them. Yes, we got a few of them. The other one's a little bit cleaner. Got them in the bag. And up under here. I think I was gonna put those ones on. Yeah, we got them, man, all day. A lot of them. So the way you go about getting these is you go to my Instagram. I'll put a small little things to where you can find the Instagram on there. Yeah, and that's the way you can reach out and support, you know, buy a t-shirt, wear a t-shirt, post it up, do what you can. Like I said, I'll put the Instagram up there. And yeah, that's basically what's going on. I'm thinking I should do a more in-depth on the 5.0. That's almost everybody's favorite car right now that I have currently. Everybody's in love with that one. And show you guys basically what it is that's wrong with that car. It's a lot. I'm looking at a lot of work with that car. That car hasn't even begun to turn over, you know. So, yeah, that's basically what's going on. That's the update. I'm going to get back in the house. It's a little chilly outside. Peace.